Hello, I'm Bella Kaur and I'm taking a video of my third wall mural, 5 feet high and 9 feet wide, painted on the 25th of January 2021 till the 16th of February 2021. It all started with this crab that Master Aiden asked his Kong Kong grandfather what a New Zealand crab looked like. Not crab. He's living in New Zealand now and he should be able to answer for himself. Right over here we have Mr. Water Mongoose. His local name is Musang. He likes to eat crabs, insects, snakes, and he's taking a very big jackfruit back to his burrow where his litter of pups lives. He has to hurry up because they are nocturnal creatures and the sun is coming up in the horizon. Over here we have a big durian. He also likes to eat durian, and this popular durian is actually called Musang King. Right. The wonders of nature is that the jackfruit grows from its tree trunk and durians grow from its tree branches horizontally. We have Miss Summer, a beautiful blue-leaf bird. She loves to eat berries and loves to sing as well. And I think we can find this bird in Pulau Pinang. Across the lake, we have Mr. and Mrs. Squirrel. They are enjoying eating the very ripe red rambutans. And wait, there is a baby squirrel hiding and stashing a lot of rambutans for her two siblings. And she is Miss Anais. Beside the rambutan tree is Mr. L.J. Wise Ancestral Farm. They rear water buffaloes to help in the wet paddy fields. And they also have non-halal produce like Mrs. Sow here, a very feminine pig with her little piglet. Before we go, we must visit Mr. Casey's home farm. Here we have a very proud looking and handsome cockerel. He has been crowing whole morning, and these two hens are looking for food because they need nutrition to lay eggs daily. Finally, we have a family of ladybirds on a sugarcane stem. We have Mr. and Mrs. Ladybird with Master Alexander and Miss Angelique. And they are searching for more stories for kids and adults with young hearts. So until then, bye!